Goddamn retards. Okay. Oh yeah, you're doing that.
You feel it? You're feeling it now?
No! Oh damn it.
You're feeling it now, Mr. Crab.
You feeling it?
Those are just you noises.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. I gotta. Hold on. I need some reference.
He's gonna want.
What the fuck? You kind of cut out there.
I know he is.
I'm gonna go look up one of these chivalry videos and try to imitate every noise I hear. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay. All right. Well, edoops. See. Wait. What the fuck? Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in alphabetical order, and I'm not exactly good at that.
Oh my god!
What?
You're lagging so goddamn bad.
God, dude, that was horrible.
Like,
That was horrible.
What happened?
All I heard was yeah.
This shit for me.
It's hard to intimidate.
All right.
Man.
All right. I'm gonna imitate these noises.
What was that?
I killed 2 people once. I can never heard a fucking boost it. Sorry. Okay, no.
Fuck off.
You should have seen when we were me and Nips playing Mario Kart.
Oh my god, dude. So he kept fucking me over.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, that was really good, dude. That was a really good one.
Are you watching Getting Over It? Are you watching Getting Over It?
Do that one again!
Do
that one again!
Hold on, guys, shut the fuck up. It's really hard to tell if it's the video or you guys.
No, I wanted you to do the one you just did again. That was great.
The
No, the Oh, I thought you were talking about the other one. I know it. You're watching the latest one, aren't you?
Oh, dude,
yes.
Try to do the no. Wait, just keep saying no.
No.
Oh, there we go. I just obliterated. Aw. Dude, I just. You know that sound? Oh, I got it. And I got it at the wrong fucking time. And I lost it because of fucking lightning. I showed you Shell with the sound thing, you know?
Okay, I forgot what was happening on your end. I was like, what are you talking about?
I have to mute myself real quick.
Ah, shit.
Fine.
I guess so.
What?
So yeah, okay. So I figured out how to make Elgato like record Discord along with all the other shit, which is it's really weird the way you have to do it. Okay, what you got to do is on sound capture. Okay, you have to set the setting to PC gaming. Okay, and then in Discord, go to user settings, go to where like your output device is, and hit default. And for some reason, that makes it able to record. Makes it able to record Discord and, everything else, which is really fucked up. Like I think on the one podcast that Nips and I did without you, I tested this, and that's how I was playing stuff, and he was, you could hear me talking to him the entire time. Meaning I could potentially do this, more. All right, let's look at how much time we got here.